got a call for some kind of a car that is stuck, because I don't remember what it was.
So it's blue.
A blue car. So we got a call for a blue car that's stuck out the Sand Hollow on the east side of the lake. And we're gonna head out there and see if we can get it out.
And here's Rudy with the weather. Yeah. So it's about 90 degrees, I want to say. Very few clouds in the sky, and you know, hot, just hot. It's summertime. I got nothing else.
And we'll get them out. Other than that tip.
It was my mistake.
Yeah, this sand will get you. It's got better hook options in the rear. I'll just put you in here. Yeah. That exhaust is hot. Okay, when I see your reverse lights, I'll know you're ready. All right, who made the call? Besides your YouTube channel, Matt's Off-Road Recovery.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
That was like that.
So we saw some other trucks up here that were in trouble. We're gonna go see if they need some help. Looks like you could use a little help.
I took a wrong turn. Coming out this way, the main road right there, and it just kept going down that way, and I was trying to rally out, but...
I wish you hadn't unhooked, because there's no way to get the boat out now. I'm trying to... Is it going to be easier
to pull them out and try
and then hook up the... Well, no.
Hook
the boat up to this.
We can try that.
Okay.
I think so.
All right, we'll just pull you out and then use your hitch to hook up to that and pull the boat out.
Okay.
Right on, man. I got an 85 Samurai on 40s.
Yeah?
Samurai. We'll try that here.
Okay, I'm going to have my guy in here for insurance for you.
Right, I got it in 4 low. Perfect.
How lifted the truck was. It was so stuck. Hopefully that's enough draw. Otherwise, we'll dig a hole.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Right on.
We'll go get the trailer now.
Hey.
People get stuck in this all the time. Like reckless. Just like I should act. But don't. Because I'm responsible.
Appreciate it, guys. You got about like a foot to drop. Okay. Dig. Keep coming. Oh! I get it. Okay, let it down. Is it becoming clear why you never unhook?
Yeah. Yep.
You have to have the perfect vehicle to hook up. Okay. Rudy, go pull it forward an inch. Whoa!
Yeah, an inch. Okay, back up a 1/2 of an 1/8 of an inch. A little bit more. What? All right. Woohoo! That's good enough to get you to the road. Veer a little to the left and keep going. If you get stuck with a trailer, never ever unhook it. This is a great reason, like this is a great example of why that's a bad idea, because without kinetic energy, even the most capable vehicles can't get a trailer moving. So this vehicle could get 30 or 40,000 pounds moving with a kinetic rope, and it can't even move 2,000 pounds without it in this sand. Let me try something real quick. All right. Transmission got a little warm, but you can't blame that. I don't have low enough transfer case gears. Engine oil's up, but that's normal. We're just under 210 degrees on coolant.
Acceptable.
I couldn't expect anything different for what we just did.
I'm very pleased.
La 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 la.
What do you want to do?
Unhook the trailer and just hook her up to it with the launcher.
Just yank it out of here.
That's terrible. That is some fluffy sand.
I know it. I was in it. I was driving in it. I got my kid coming in with the Jeep, and we'll just kinetic us right out of here. Okay, sounds good.
And then we got another rig back there?
Yeah, I was following him.
He's not too stuck. He's just in two-wheel drive.
Okay. This is definitely what you do when you're waiting for help. You don't stand out there in the sun, find some shade, sit down, cool off.
Alright, get out of that before you get us stuck.
Well, look who it is.
Yeah, the cavalry has arrived.
Sunshine.
Oh yeah, sunshine. There we go. Oh my goodness. There were slow people. Oh my gosh.
You were one of them?
No. Well, yeah, I was because I was stuck behind one of them, but like 45 and they were doing like 20. Coming out. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Don't get stuck through here. It's pretty fluffy. We just made a trap.
Yeah. I wonder if we should take this guy out that way. I think we will.
I don't think he has a trailer.
So we got there, we got it pulled out. There was 4 if you count the boat as a separate one. And we're gonna go home and get some lunch. And thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.